Now with the comprehensive Rust Day 1 afternoon section. It has 3 sections. First, here we will experience tuples and arrays. It covers 4 subtopics and an exercise on nested arrays. Array definition consists of typed semicolon length, a compile time constant, has bound checks so issues get caught at compile time. Let's write a sample usage code. Utilizing debug print to inspect. Using a value during initialization in array def statements, assign that as values on all indexes. Mutable arrays to be able to tweak. Checking the bound check errors. Tuples for fixed length collections of varied types. Let's write a sample code for tuple usage. Fields are available with dot index notation. Empty tuple are referred to as unit type, signifying absence of return value like void. Let's check the concept of void with unit type in code. Here println statement would return unit type. Assert EQ is the macro we used earlier. If wanted to not be available in release builds, would rather use debug assert. Array iteration, let's add usage code in arrays program. In here provides feature like in operator of some languages. First iteration over item directly, next over range of index. In is available into operator, enables to iterate over all items in a collection or range. Destructuring can be used to extract inner values into variables via pattern matching. Irrefutable patterns are used, which Rust can verify at compile time. So left and right side fields and types have to sync up. Equality comparisons are available with if let. Let's try code and test an example. Here tnum and tbool would match since tuple has 2 fields. If let would match LHS to tuple and on true match would run the block. Now to check error matching. Let's attempt nested array exercise. It shows a 2D array like 3 by 3 matrix and requires transposition of it. We have a boilerplate code with matrix and test for it. Let's copy it into a code file and fix it. Now let's look at the boilerplate. In main, we have 3 by 3 matrix being passed to transpose function, which returns a transpose to the array. We'll need to have a nested loop traversal with outer index for rows and inner for columns. A mutable 2D array where we will assign values for row by call cell transpose to cell call by row cell. Works fine. Online solution looks similar as well.